Hi, welcome back to Delta Hasil. Quickly, I will discuss about the coming Monday strategy, that is 17th March strategy of 22,400 put option and 22,400 call option. Before that, I have drawn all the high volume areas, that means aggressive shorting and aggressive buying areas has been plotted over here. And I will change this to 5 minutes chart. Okay. So here 22,400 put option has closed over here 133. And what we can expect on Monday? See this area 133, 134. Above this area, this particular option trades above this area, then the next target will be here 157 to 160. Then 160, 162 breaking and close above this. Above this 160 with our delta conditions, then 170 a minor resistance is there. And after that, 188.87 and 195, 194. And this area, there is a strong resistance. If 194 sustains above 195, 194, then there will be a quick jump to 225, 224 level. And above 224, it may fly like anything. See, on the downside, you see the range between 116 to 105, 11 points range is there. And this is the range where from the last 4 days, from last Monday to last Thursday, high aggressive selling and buying were happened in these areas. That is why I marked these areas. High volume trades has been happened. So in this area, we may expect a consolidation in the coming days, maybe on 17th March or 18th March. And this area, don't take any long positions. That is what we teach. In these areas, it is not good for taking a long position. And this video is for educational purpose only. Okay. So 105 to 116 level may be a consolidation range for Monday, coming Monday or Tuesday. So in these consolidation areas, don't initiate any fresh long position. And if in any case, if the put option trades below 105 with volumes, that means with the delta conditions and all, then there are little supports are here. That is 100, then 95 and 88. Below 88, 85 level, don't take any position in the put option. 22,400 put option. But in any chance, if it comes from the downside and close above this level, no, 88, 89, with the volumes, with our delta conditions, then it is a buy. We can take long positions. And these are all the levels of 22,400 put option. And these levels are drawn on the basis of 30 minutes chart and order flow. See these levels belongs to the aggressive areas of last Wednesday. Aggressive buying areas, no? If this level breaks, 117, 115 breaks, then it may go down. That is why I said 115 to 107. These areas are very crucial for the put option. Okay. For freshers, it is little bit confusing. And on this basis only, I am drawing this support and resistance. The markets are all about numbers only. See, there is a huge selling imbalance here, and it has gone that the level has maintained all through the day and in the coming days. See this candle, it closed exactly here, and again selling has happened over here, and it goes down. So this order flow chart is an excellent chart, and most of the modern traders are using this chart. It is like a AI tool. No? These consolidated figures, no, these figures are showing here volume, delta, max delta, min delta, cumulative delta, etc. On this basis only we are taking long and short positions. For intraday, we can use 5 minutes chart. See this last Monday level has been crossed and closed above this candle with the increased volume. See from 262 to 422, and the delta is green from negative to positive, and max delta there is a huge jump in max delta. Max delta means buying power. See what has happened after that. From 118, it has gone up to this level. See 133, 134. And this level is not for Thursday. It has gone before Thursday market. See this high of this candle. It has exactly touched the top of the resistance and then came down. Again, it has touched there and then just closed below this line. And this is the beauty of order flow charts, no? That you cannot understand. See, there is a selling imbalance over here. We cannot find all these things in normal candlestick chart. See, we are in darkness, no? So it is the time to shift from normal candlestick chart to this order flow chart, so that we can trace out all the institutional activities, big players, no? And these big players are shorting in this options and all in a huge quantity, in huge quantities. See, these are all marked as imbalances. And this requires, drawing this line requires some experience, and we are here to help you out. Okay, then we will go to that call option. What will happen to call option on Monday? And this is 22,400 call option. And this call option has closed over here around 138.11. And you see this candle around 3 o'clock. There is a sudden jump of the volume 457,000 to 1.12 million. And see the delta 143 from negative 81,000 to 143,000, from 25 to 153. See, it is a buy over here, quick buy. It's a 5 minute chart, correct? So from 139, 140 to 145, 5 points jumped from here. Even though it is not a favored option. It was in a sell mode, correct? From here to here. And see where it has fallen from here only, no? From here. And these are all the selling areas. Okay. And this is the candle where the first selling starts. And the delta suddenly becomes negative. And this is a very good study. That these informations, no, you will not get it from normal candlestick charts. You are in darkness only. See, this resistance has not broken here, no? So many times it came here. If you are doing with MACD and all, no, it will show so many signals, buy signals over here. Every time you will enter huge loss. And that is the beauty of this order flow analysis. With the bar strategies alone, we can do trades. And this is only just 1% of the total strategy. So this is the time to shift from normal candlestick chart to order flow chart. So you will be able to see that there are in which part of the candlestick the weakness is weakness. Correct? So here you can see, and this is the area which has drawn in the previous day. See what are all the activities happened in this area. There is a huge selling imbalance over here. This is a 5 minute chart. Don't draw imbalance lines in 5 minute chart. It requires some special skill that we teach you. Okay. So no candle has been closed above this level. On close basis only we are taking breakout trades. A candle has to close above this line and all our delta condition should be satisfied. Correct? See, if you go back, you can see lot of buying happened over here. See, and here only, and in this candle only, the delta become green first. See, with increased volume. And this is the candle where we are entering. And this is 945 candle. And see, here immediately after, we will enter at 207 and putting a stop loss in the previous candle low, the selling imbalance low. No? The sellers has been totally defeated here in this candle. Okay, so this will be the stop loss 194, never comes. And our entry price is 207. And from 207, it has gone up to 248. That is 40 points. I never hit the stop loss. And this is the beauty of order flow chart. And we are here to help you out. And if you have any queries, no, you can call me or email to us. Thank you very much. Subscribe our channel and we will update you with more videos and more informations. Okay. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.